guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to let the sorting hat pick my makeup, and I would like to say that this idea was all my own, but it's not. I actually saw Nikki Tutorials do this, and I kind of looked through and there hadn't been many people to try it out yet, but I thought it was really fun. Mainly though, I am doing it because I love Harry Potter, and I have actually been listening to the books again on audio going to and from work. It's just a really great way to pass the time. I am a big Harry Potter lover. I just can't get enough, like watching the movies, listening to the books, reading the books. I love it so much. So we are going to try it out today and just see what happens. I have no idea what I'm going to be sorted into. I've got the hat right back there. So before we jump in, I want to say thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And if you do enjoy, of course, give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by my birthday. It's, for me, one of the very first big landmarks. And I know some people are like, that's not big, but to me it's totally big and it totally means a lot to me. So thank you so much, and let's jump right into the video. I've got the sorting hat and he is massive. So this is a talking, moving sorting hat, and you can hear the movements in this a lot. So if you hear like that, sorry, I wish I could take that out, but this is what we're working with. It's really cool. I got this at Walmart for $20, and it looks to be the exact same one that I've seen other people have and use. So let's see. Let's put it on. Oh, really doesn't fit. Do I have a massive head? Are you guys ready? Let's see where I get sorted.
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be. Ravenclaw! Gryffindor! Slytherin! Hufflepuff! Just and loyal! True! Yes, clearly, Hufflepuff.
Really? Not Slytherin or Gryffindor? Okay, so it looks like I am a Hufflepuff, so let's do some makeup. Okay, so my house colors are yellow and black. I have all the cups, by the way. I only got the coffee after I found out my house. Animal is the badger. I like badgers. And traits are dedication, hardworking, fairness, patience, kindness, tolerance, unafraid of toil, and loyalty. Okay, I dedicate this look to Cedric Diggory. All right, so I picked a bunch of palettes. I thought immediately, I just recently used the Alien palette from Jeffree Star, so I immediately thought of this shade Martian Soul. So the colors are yellow and black, but I see a lot of this like more muted mustardy type of yellow when you think of Hufflepuff, so I might use that. I also got this Cute AF palette from ColourPop. I picked up this with this yellow in here. I thought of my Pastel Goth that is a little bit more like a neonish yellow, so we might use that for some blending. And then finally the Morphe 35B, a shimmer and a matte gold, and also has a black in it, which we'll need that black for sure. I also grabbed this Kat Von D Metal Crush in Thrasher that I had lying around, and this might be interesting. Let's see if I can Hufflepuff this eye. I think the first thing I want to do is take this shade Star from the Pastel Goth, which is a kind of like lighter, brighter yellow. We're going to start with that, blend it nice and big. Let's start placing that in. This yellow does look a little bit more muted on the eye versus in the pan, which I have used before, so I'm kind of familiar with that. I'm definitely going to deepen it and make it a bit warmer. Right now I'm just kind of like laying that on to create a good yellow base, and then we will kind of shift it a little bit. Look how bright. So I have just kind of packed a lot of color on there. Now we're going to blend it out. You can see I'm taking this pretty dang high to the brow bone. Now I'm going to take a bit of Titan from the Alien palette, which is just this light cream shade. And ooh, that shade is just, it's a little dusty, but dang, she's pigmented. So I'm going to just roughly blend, and that's going to tone it down just a bit. So I definitely want to take some of that Martian Soul because I want to get more of that warm a little hint of mustard yellow in there. So I'm going to take Martian Soul on a little bit smaller brush and go into the crease. And much like their respective owners, these two shades are not best friends. They do not know how to blend. I'm gonna hop over to the Morphe, which has this like bright, true yellow. So we got a little bit of that like mustardy look there. I'm content now that I've tried to blend that away, but those shades just like, The powder did not agree, but that's okay. Such is life. I'm just layering all the yellows until I have a shade that I like.
I got some freaking yellow going on, so what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Let me think about it.
You know what? We're gonna go crazy. I'm gonna take Black Hole from the Jeffree Star palette, tapping off a lot of excess, and we're gonna go into the crease. We're gonna do some crease cutting. Close this loose. A little messy. Y'all don't think just because I'm doing a cut crease that I'm copying Nikki, because I know I couldn't do what she does. I would need about 5 hours and a retractor. Going in with some light yellow gold. So the base that I'm using is concealer and glitter glue mixed. So it's very tacky and I don't want to let too much of it dry. Time for some Thresher. So I evened the eyes out, but there's still a ways to go. I'm not done. This looks a little messy. We've still got some blending and then finishing touches. And I don't have a whole lot of black right now. I'm gonna add a wing. So what I'm doing is creating like badgers have like that black going down. So I'm creating a very like angular looking eye. So we're gonna play up the little badger part of this whole thing. Now that doesn't make a lot of difference. Alright, so we got a little crazy kind of cut crease going on. I hope you guys like it. It's a little bit messier than I'd like, but we're gonna go with it. I am now going to take the yellow from the ColourPop palette and start to blend that over my lower lash line. Alright, we got some mascara on. Now I'm going to do some cheeks and then lips. I'm going to stay a little bit more neutral with this. So I've got this Milani Romantic Rose, which is a very neutral with a hint of pink in it. So it'll still give you the flush, but it'll blend nicely into the contour and bronzer and not too, and it's not too bright. I honestly wear this blush so much, and the Milani blushes in general a lot. For highlight, I'm going to use a little Becca in Moonstone. I got a little mini here. I'm going to use my finger and just go down the center of the nose. So I want to pull in a little bit more of the black, but I don't want to go straight black on the lips. So I'm going to use this Too Faced Evil Twin, which is super dark. We're going to put this bad boy on. And I'm going to put a little bit of gold in the center. Alright guys, that is my completed Hufflepuff makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is definitely a bit different for me. You guys know I don't do the big cut creases a lot. I don't think they're that flattering on me, but for this I think it works. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me transform myself into a Hufflepuff with makeup. I love you guys so much. Thank you for checking out this video, and I will see you in my next one.